Lighting is not just about visibility, it is about atmosphere, precision, and the way a space makes you feel. Today, we are talking about one of the most refined and sophisticated lighting solutions, fiber optic lighting. Fiber optic lighting is chosen where the goal is not the brightness but elegance and detail. So, what exactly is fiber optic lighting? It is a system where light is generated from a single source and transmitted through optical fibers to a multiple points. The fibers themselves carry only light, no heat, no electricity, making the system safe, clean, and highly controlled. The core concept behind fiber optic lighting is centralized illumination with distributed light points. A powerful illuminator sends light through flexible fiber cables which can be routed through ceilings, walls, furniture, landscapes, or water features. This allows designer to create star-like points, soft glowing lines, subtle visual essence with absolute precision. Because of this control and safety, fiber optic lighting is widely used in star ceilings, luxury home theaters, spas, swimming pools, feature walls, pathways, and landscape applications. It delivers ambience without glare and luxury without visual noise. Now let's talk about implementation. Every fiber optic project starts with design planning. We identify the space, the mood, and the visual impact required for the space, whether it's a dramatic star ceiling or a calm architectural accent. Based on this, the fiber type, thickness, length, and number of light points are carefully selected. Next comes the light source selection. This can be a warm white, cool white, or RGB system depending on the desired effect. One illuminator can control hundreds of fiber points, ensuring consistency and a long-term reliability. During execution, the fibers are precisely routed and finished while the light source is installed in a concealed and yet accessible location because there is no power at the fiber ends. This system is ideal for high-end interiors, wet areas, or sensitive environments. Fiber optic lighting is not about trends, it's about timeless design. This is not just lighting, this is a designed luxury. If you want your space to feel exclusive, refined, and unforgettable, fiber optic lighting is the solution. We work with you from the concept to completion to transform your space into a truly luxurious environment. Contact us today to begin your fiber optic lighting project, precision execution, premium results, because exceptional spaces are never accidental. They are professionally designed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Tech Explained Simply. See you in the next video.